Same? Different map or not?
Different map.
Look at
Please. Holy shit, that stupid diagonal map.
What is this? Oh wow, this is a new map I think. Before I don't see this.
Oh, this is gonna be
You
like a test
recorded
recording.
already?
Yeah. It's gonna be a test recording as well. So,
Okay.
yeah.
Then use my Zoom door so you just know how it's look like. Ooh! It's sweating
Okay.
so hard. You guys are speaking even. I was like speaking so hard. And I didn't even sweating.
I'm not even sweating, I'm just. I just wanna
You're
laugh, but I
quiet.
don't wanna say
Zoom
anything.
your
Because I don't wanna be toxic. You're just like mocking me when I lose. Toxic friend, bro. Like, oh my. I'm gonna upload that like to my second channel or something. Then I'm gonna
You have a
link it
second
to
channel?
yeah, like the Cuscoy, like where I find you in the bridge. Remember that? Like this, so AIDS.
my reach, bro.
AIDS, bro. No, your mom. You're so lucky.
What do you mean
Fucking
lucky?
keep teleporting. When, like, bro, like when he's like jumping up the stupid stairs, it's like perfectly fine. When we go in PvP, he just like lags. Oh, fuck. Hello.
Hey, what? You're
Hello.
oh, what is that? You close and then you just die.
Oh my fucking god, bro.
Yes, go glide.
You just gonna make fun of me like when I like link that video because that's how you are.
Hello.
You're not gonna accept it because that's. You're not gonna let me go up.
What?
Oh
Why
my
you stuck in the
fucking god,
block?
stupid server, bro. I'm stuck in a block.
Again?